Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I have a Nadine West package to unbox with you. I'm really glad that you showed up today. Wow, it's echoing in here. I was trying to change up the scenery a little bit. We're in my entryway, and that is where I'm going to film the try-on of everything that's inside this Nadine West pink package. Welcome to my channel, everyone, whether you're new or whether you have been with me since day one. Welcome. I'm really glad that you are here. I am feeling so good today. I cleaned out an entire closet, I got it organized, okay? So I'm gonna call that cleaning it out. I feel so accomplished today, and this bag has been waiting to be opened, and I thought, what better time? I deserve a treat. My Nadine West bag has been waiting to be opened, but I needed to get some chores done before I treated myself. So here it is. Let's open it up. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, this is a very affordable style subscription service. Nadine does send me this package for free in exchange for my honest review. So that's what we are going to do today. I was really pleased with my last Nadine West bag. I will link that video above if you haven't seen it. There were several pieces in that bag that I couldn't wait to wear. I have already worn them. I don't know if I made a video in any of the items. There's only one sweater that I am waiting to wear on a special occasion. I say special occasion, but you know what I mean. I'm kind of holding it. So every Nadine West bag comes sealed, and if there's anything in the bag that you don't want, you're going to use the same bag to return it. So be very careful when you open your Nadine West. Again, I will leave all of the information about Nadine West. If you want to get a bag for yourself, all the details are in the description box below. Check it out. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. Let me see. It looks like there's jeans in there, and this looks like one ginormous bundle. Let me try to pull it out. Oh, bundle is busted. So that's what it looks like. Very, very navy blue this one is. There's still more. Let's see. Okay, another big bundle in here. Okay, and this one is very green, which is exciting because I'm looking for green because you know St. Patrick's Day is coming up. I'm an Irish girl and I will be sporting my green. Let's look at the green first. All right, the first thing is a beautiful green tee, and this tee does have a lace detail, and this is a bit of a swing tee. I like that. Then we have, these are a polyester. Oh, these are cute. This is more of a hunter green, but these are a crop culotte style pull-on pant. I like those. Next, something in navy, and this is a long sleeve t-shirt, no band at the bottom, so I do like that. It looks almost to be a crew neck, but let me show you. It's got an interesting sleeve. It does have that cutout. Can you see that? You will see it better in the try-on, but that one is nice. More navy blue. Here's a navy blue floral piece. I'm looking for the jewelry. Nadine always sends jewelry. Okay. All right, we have a dress. The good news is it is not a bodycon dress. Oh wow, this is by the brand Gilly. This is a dress brand that I have in my closet. This comes in lots of subscription boxes. Now this is navy and floral, and it looks to be almost a fit and flare style. Let me see, is it lined? It's lined. Way to go, Nadine West. Okay, the last piece is a pair of denim. Let me see, they don't feel, oh, they are stretchy. So these are a pull-on, like jegging, but these feel like denim. This is what the pockets look like. Kind of interesting, huh? A pull-on and the 3 gold button detail. So that's cool. This Nadine West had one jewelry pouch, and it does happen to be a pair of very simple earrings. They're silver in tone. I think the light is not giving you the correct color. So let me try everything on. We'll talk about it. We'll see how Nadine did this time. I've tried everything on. I'm looking at the invoice. I did receive 6 pieces and the prices are a little bit different. It seems to me that the prices with Nadine West are going up, but so is the quality. I'm receiving pieces in this Nadine West that any of my other subscription boxes would send to me, and I feel like the prices are comparable to some of my other sub boxes. Now, I couldn't try everything on because I could not squeeze into the denim. And Nadine calls these the Maybelly denim. So, but they're a pull-on, like jegging. They aren't very stretchy. I would venture to say that these are cotton spandex and probably only 1 or 2% spandex because they are kind of a traditional denim. You can see a little bit of stretch, but I could not get these over my hips. Surprise, surprise. Now, you should be able to put them around your neck to gauge whether or not you can get them on. And they go around my neck, which means that the waist would probably fit, but I couldn't get them over my hips. Now these are by the brand Jivini, Jvini. Doesn't that sound fancy? It's the Maybelly. These are $22.49. Had they fit, I think that's a pretty good value. They're nice, they're different. They didn't fit. This could be, I just need a larger size. These are a size large, and sometimes when things don't fit, I say, well, that's because they're juniors, but I have a very curvy bottom half and normally have to size up, so I need an extra large to try these. The next piece I tried is the dress, and this is the dress by Gilly. It is a faux wrap. I mean, it is actually a wrap. I think that the wrap was done very well. I didn't feel like it was too low cut, and I did not feel like there was going to be any wardrobe malfunction, so I like that. The back is very interesting. There is a hidden zipper in the back, but it also has that keyhole detail, and there's a button closure on the top. It's got some interesting sleeve detail with the tie there, and I do think that the sleeves hit me at a place where the ties are really not going to bother me. It's a short dress. It is fully lined. There's a little ruffle on the bottom. It is so short. I thought I would try it without leggings or tights just to see if I would wear this dress. I honestly think I would be more comfortable wearing tights with this dress, but you see in the try on, I did try it with knee boots, and I think this one is pretty nice. It's $41.99. Okay, now this is the most expensive thing I have ever received from Nadine West, but that's the going rate for a Gilly dress. In fact, I think that's a very good price for a Gilly dress, and I think this one is pretty, and I think this is a really great color for the current season. It is lightweight, but like I said, fully lined, so perfect dress to wear in January. Maybe a denim jacket over it? What do you think? Next are the hunter green pants, and these are called the Layla wide leg cropped pants. These are by the brand Bacall, I think. It's cursive writing. Let me get up close. Oh, the light's blowing it out. Can you see that? This is a brand I'm not familiar with. These are 100% polyester. I like these. I like the way these are cut. I do think they were not a perfect fit for me. There was some pulling right around my midsection and my upper thighs. It was a little bit tight, but I do love the length of these pants. I like that wider length. These are a really great price too. $21.99 in this great hunter green color. I like these too. Now there is a detachable cloth belt, which is kind of a nice detail, although you could take it off if you didn't want that extra bolt, because this is a completely elasticized waistband. It does have pockets. It was so tight when I put my hands in my pockets, you could see my knuckles, but I do like these. I hope I'm able to drop a few pounds and wear these and feel really confident in them. The next piece is the navy blue long sleeve top with the lattice shoulder detail. What did you think about this one? This one is by the brand Hippie Chick. This one is a rayon and spandex blend, so it feels silky. It feels very, very nice. The problem I have with these tops is you have to be so very careful in the wash. They really require special care because they pill and shrink. But I like this one. I hope that this one doesn't accidentally hit the dryer, because I would like to wear this one more than once and have it look fabulous. This one, $35.99. Now that is a big price hike for this brand, Hippie Chic. I like this top. Do you guys like it? I mean, it's a nice casual layering piece, although do you really want to layer and cover up that shoulder detail? I don't know, but it's nice to have the option. The last piece of clothing that I tried, of course, any Irish girl is going to love this beautiful, vibrant green color. This one is by the brand Zanana Signature. And there's Zanana Outfitters, Zanana Premium, and this one is Zanana Signature. I don't know if that's their higher end line. This one is $34.49, and that's super expensive for this brand. But maybe I've never tried their Signature collection. I do really like the lace detail on the sleeves of this one. This one is also a rayon spandex blend. It has a swing hemline on it, so it does offer a little extra room for my hips. I appreciate that. A bit of a scoop neck. This one's really lovely. I think it's a little pricey again. The last two, well, both of the tops I think are a little pricey. I think everything else is a pretty good price. Now, let's talk about the earrings. I'm still wearing them. I think they're lovely. Again, this is a pair of earrings that are simple and yet, I don't know, kind of pretty. They're just a silver tone earring, which it's nice to add more silver to my collection. These earrings are called the Tamar earrings, and these are $14.99. It's kind of high, huh? I think it's a little high. I don't know. I'm happy to have them. Thank you so much, Nadine, for sending these products for my review. There's 6 products in this bag. I like all 6 products, but one doesn't fit. I kind of like the smaller bags with 6, 7 pieces in them compared to the bags that have 12 pieces in them. The 12 pieces can be kind of overwhelming if you're trying to decide what to keep and what to send back. And if you keep everything, it could get very, very pricey. This feels like Nadine is aligning themselves with the other subscription boxes and not overwhelming the customer, which I do appreciate. Are there any of these pieces that you especially like? I sure enjoy trying all of the pieces that Nadine sends to me. This is probably the most fun that I could have with a subscription box because it's pretty random. Nadine selects the items, sends them to me, and I wear and rock the ones I love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and support the channel. I would really, really appreciate it. I will have another video coming very, very soon. Make sure you're subscribed because you won't want to miss the next one. Until we meet again, bless.